This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 62nd Street.
Maintaining the structure on the bottom. Yeah.
So that's what these guys had to do and are doing. The most supportive section of the stations, they're replacing them or repairing them. Not only here at Woodside, but the overpass between Woodside, 61st Woodside and 52nd. And it's Monday morning rush hour, about 2 weeks after they started this project, and there's still no express service in this Woodside station. But the cement and the steel is down. The cement, I'm sure they just wait for the cement to be fully cured to just to reconnect the tracks, because that section of track, that small section of track is out. We got a bunch of helicopters flying over, transportation on every level. Or maybe not so much transportation as transportation and security, because that looked like the police helicopter.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is
coming out of Woodside, you still see those Mantis cranes are lurking. And it's a series. You see, that's another overpass coming into 52nd. But there was one that you would briefly see in between 61st and 52nd. So that's the express lane down still in the 7. Like I say, the 142s and the 62s are 142 or 62s are on the local track in extra capacity, picking up that slack. Rush hour Monday morning, 7 train, Queens, Manhattan bound.
33rd Street.
See those cracks right there, but in areas where there's more traffic, more stopping and starting of these heavy trains, you're gonna get wear and tear that's greater than can be repaired by simple epoxies. You have to rip that down to the bare bone and bring it back to new, or better than new, because they're putting new switching systems on this line for it to be able to handle a higher volume of trains on express and local lines. And the very fact that pressing more R142s and R62s into service on the local line can be picked up is testament to what. And this is the first track, the 7 train track, where the new switching system is almost completed. I don't think it's up and running, but I think each tower, the transmitter towers, are up.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Section of the Metro North, looking all the way down to the Freedom Tower from Queens. You see Queens is going through a building boom. More skyscrapers going up. Typically at rush hour, these trains are packed. But it's a testament to American ingenuity and the entire line on these rush hours, especially at rush hour, can go